Cheer him up, folks. Let's go. Let's do it.
And 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Ladies and gentlemen, here's our Demolition movie tonight. Doug Ritchie, there goes 27 after that one. 16 goes after number 7. Oh, there was a nice spin. There goes the big on the number 20. There he goes. Oh, wait for the shot. There goes the Uber driver. There goes number 18. Melissa is number 62. Oh, there's smoke in the engine there. Look out, number 23 is wrapped on the wall. Where is still stuck there? Little body. Oh, no, body bun bun. She didn't do it at all. Number 62, still going good. He's going to smack in at number 23 if he was smart. There comes number 27, number 18. There they go, slaps him up against the wall. Oh, they number 23. Number 7 gets hit by number 2. There they go now, number 27. Look at him, gonna hit him. He's smoking. Where's the ball? The ball is now on the side. Oh, there goes number 3, the Christian. It's number 27, number 3. Still going at it. Oh, and then there's number 16. Oh, there comes number 32. Number 1 is still sitting on the side playing hooky. I do a kiss in it. There goes number 3. Going after Christian, going after number 7. There goes 62. It ran after by number 88. Number 7, Mike. What's he doing? He's getting revved up. Watch out for number 7. He's going after 16. Oh, takes out 16. And number 1. Christian's got a rope on the ropes. Number 3 is going out. Don't know though.
Look at that. Sore back from our
She's had it. She's not even trying right now. She's got her seatbelt off. What's wrong with Granny? You can't get out of the car, Granny.
Stay in your car. Do not get out of your car.
There goes number 7. Number 2 is making around the Uber driver. There goes 7. 16 is still running. The Uber driver has had it. Go pizza for you, number 8.
Still going. He's in there still. Moving the ball, but still in there.
Number 27, welcome on the body. Little Brian the cheater. Here he goes. He's the leader. Number 62 is making a turn. Is he going to take out 66? Or is he hiding down the corner? Number 7 is looking to kill somebody right here on this shot. There's 4 cars still going at it. Number 27. Oh, there he goes.
62 doesn't even. What is that?
62 doesn't even have the front wheel moving, I think. Number 7 is playing hooky.
I gotta check that material. It's like that Wolverine car.
Look at his wheel, how it's turning here.
Oh,
Look at there's some hanging under number 2, the Uber driver. The Uber driver's having fun. He's the one moving around. He's only 18 years old and having a ball. There goes that. Who's going to do it? Here comes 62. He's going after number 27. Oh, Uber driver almost got it.
62 over there on the side.
Oh, dang it. What's going on? Number 7, number 27. Oh! Hits the Uber driver.
He's got a pretty well built car out there, though.
Elon Musk would want a car like this.
I think that is Elon.
That probably is. Oh, they're stalking each other like a dirty shark in the pool. Uh-oh. There goes number 2. He's had it. He's going after number 27. Happy birthday, 27, he said. Oh, he faked him out. Oh, what are they all doing? They're all hiding in the corner. Uh-oh, 27 starting to smoke. Who's going to be the first one to land? Who's going to go? How much money is this worth? I don't know. Anyway, it's worth enough where these guys are risking their lives for you. Number 27 and number 22. Here comes the Uber driver. Number 20. Oh! Come on, 62. Let's cheer him on. Who's going to finish? Uh-oh, 62 wants to run number 2 up against the wall. He gets out of it, though. Number 27. Oh, happy birthday to that little 18-year-old boy. Number 2, I don't think he's going in the problem with that car. Okay, it's still number 2, number 27, 62, and number 7. What's going on with 7?
Might be down.
It's 3 cars left. They're all making money. Oh, there goes the Uber driver. Oh, here comes number 7. He figured it out, but his radiator looks like it's shot.
That altimeter, the altimeter was out. Reconnected the flux capacitor and he's good to go.
I can see that. He's almost into the future. Look how fast he's going. He's rocking that number 7. Boom! Take that, number 7 says.
Could have entered that in the lawnmower race.
Number 27's front wheel is having a little problem on the mountain side. Number 2 is actually holding up a lot better than I thought. That is one ticked off Uber driver. Number 2, 62-27. Here comes number 7 out of nowhere. Come on now, who's gonna do it? We gotta finish this someday, boys. Look at that. Oh. Wow, I feel like I'm at Walmart in the parking lot. There we go. Where's number 2 when you need it? Come on. Oh, they're after that 27. Oh, they're spinning back and forth and back. Here comes number 2. Oh, Uber driver says maybe. He doesn't like 62.
They have a blood feud.
Uh-oh. Look at number 27. He's got some. His front end is pretty messed up.
Still going. That's the grab for this one. Still going too.
Anybody's set. Here comes old number 7.
Hard to practice at this point.
Come on, guys. Let's get her done. Who's going to be the king of the parking lot here? Here comes number 2. He seems like he's got it going on. Uh-oh. I suppose somebody's going to have some issues. Oh, there you go. Oh, got some smoke. More smoke out of 27. Then there's number 62. He had a problem with that side last night already. I don't know why he went over there. Until 27 after 62. Come on, number 7, stop hiding. Go get him, number 2, go get him. Oh, here comes 27. Uh-oh, number 2's back end is a little beat up, that one tire, look at it. It's front wheel drive, he's doing pretty good with it though.
Number 7 back in.
Oh, look, it's actually good. There you go, who's gonna win? Cheer him on! Oh, here they go!
Definitely one of our longer events.
I kinda like it. All right, that Uber driver, he's doing pretty good. Look at the backhand, no luggage in there if you're going to Donatello.
From this angle, it's hard to see. It looks like those are going to hit when they fly near the butt.
Look at the front end on number 62. Good dragon.
Number 7.
Boy, number 7 is. Look at the back end on that one. Number 2 is cracking.
This is by far the best day of Memorial Day.
There you go. Little Jill in our little prom team. Uh-oh, this might be a good one right here. There we go. Number 27 might be out. It's number 2 and number 62, I think, are left. It's number 2 and 62, unless number 27's gone. Is number 7 gone too? Here he comes. Get him.
Can't hit him.
Yeah. Number 7's done.
Number 7 is gone.
It looks like number 2, our Uber driver. Yes!
What do you guys think?
It's the Uber driver, number 2. Our 18-year-old boy. MAYHEMilition. It's running like Dylan. Wins this year. He is our winner.
The youngest employee at Somerset Construction.